What do you say about SEO versus YouTube? Is there a battle? And if there was a battle, who would win?
To me, they're one and the same. If you look at a search engine results page, we have Twitter results, we have a knowledge graph, like we have all these things on that search. Video is now one of them in a lot of cases. So if you are a B2B brand, what do you want to rank for? And what is showing up on that results page? And are you going to have a ton more backlinks to register yourself as even a competitor on that page? Or is there green grass over on YouTube that will allow you to be the video result on that page? So that's where I see them as one and the same. Now, the searches over on YouTube are different. So if we talk about B2B using YouTube, most B2B brands tend to think of episodic content. Like we're going to create a documentary about what it's like to be our customer. You have to have a really good marketing strategy to get people to that content. They're not just going to stumble upon it and watch it. And there is no straight answer for all that, AB. Like you have to figure out, just like you do with any marketing strategy, who's on the channel or who's on the platform right now. If no one's on there, we're the first on there. How are we going to use this so that we stand out and not just like, oh, it's another platform that we publish on?